Debian versus Arch versus Red Hat. Which one is actually better for productivity? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down Debian, Arch, and Red Hat, so you can decide which of these Linux distros fits your workflow best. Let's start with Debian. It's known for being super stable and reliable, the base for Ubuntu and tons of other distros. If you want something that just works without constant updates or surprises, Debian is solid. Great for people who want a quiet system that stays out of their way while they get work done. Now let's talk about Arch. Arch is all about simplicity and control. It follows the keep it simple philosophy and gives you a minimal setup so you only install what you need. Perfect if you're into customizing every part of your system, but not ideal if you're new or want things to just work out of the box. Finally, there's Red Hat, or RHEL. This one is built for enterprise use. Rock-solid stability, strong security, and long-term support. If you're working in a business or server environment and need reliability above all else, Red Hat might be your move. So which one is better? If you're a beginner or casual user looking for a smooth experience, go with Debian. If you're a tinkerer or power user who loves full control, try Arch. And if you're working in a professional or server-focused setting, Red Hat could be the best fit. Let me know in the comments which distro you run. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.